How to change your signal pin. Are you guys facing issue to change your signal pin? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To change your signal pin, open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, then go to privacy and scroll down to find the signal pin section. Tap on change your pin. Enter your current PIN first, then type your new 4-digit or alphanumeric PIN. You will be asked to confirm it once more to make sure there are no mistakes. Once confirmed, your new signal PIN is saved and will be used to protect your profile settings and backup restoration as well. Remember to keep your PIN private and don't share it with anyone. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guidance. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna change your PIN on Signal. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.